Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So today Deeksha, she will continue our session. Deeksha.
Yes, sir.
So if possible means all of you turn on your video until the class. Until end of the class, you can turn on your video.
Hi, everyone. How are you all?
Fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. What about others? Is everyone fine and doing well?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, as we had learned what we had learned, the new concepts in the last week, can anyone just summarize things? Vedashri,
Can you repeat?
can you summarize the things what we learned in the last class? Like, don't say about the project, say about the concepts what we learned.
We learn about the input random and while loop, for loop, and in loop.
Yeah. Okay. So in the whatever we had learned in the last class, we'll be just revising stuffs because while loop is a bit complex thing, and it should be a bit of more projects on while loop, I think so. So we'll be learning while loop once again in this, and we have a little bit of new topics, not a lot. We have a while loop in slash and function. And if else, which is you had been learning from many days. Yeah. So in today's class, we are doing a card matching game. Whatever. Yeah, we're doing a card matching game where we have a set of cards and we want to match things. Yeah. So I'll share my screen for you guys. Just a second. Yeah. Tell me when my screen is visible for you. Is my screen visible for you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we do the same thing, whatever we have been.
1 minute, Deeksha. So all of you turn on your video. Otherwise, you can leave the session.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, possibly I am not able to turn on video because there is some disturbance here, and also
Okay.
I'm
And
from
what about
outside.
others? It is must to them. Others expect Abhishek. Anush, Dhruti K, Mohammed Amja, Syed Yasuf, who is that Mohammed Amja? He is from his school. Anybody knows about him?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am traveling, so I can't turn on my video.
You are from his school, pa?
Sir, I'm from Krisayoti School.
Okay. Okay, Diksha, continue.
Yeah. So as I said, as we are using import random for these several classes, as they are not a big projects where we write each and every code. So we always use import random whenever we do small projects. where we doesn't have a lot of code. We mostly use import random because it takes the random things. It eliminates the code whatever we want to write. Like if we not write import random, then we may specify what should be selected, all those stuffs. And if we write import random, I doesn't think we should be specifying the things. So we use import random a lot of things. And I will give cards. I will, you can say I'm giving, yeah, I'm giving each card twice. The A card to be twice, B card to be twice, and C card to be twice. And and yeah, each card to be twice. Yeah, each card to be twice. And once the person is able to guess all the segment of the card, like it will be shuffled. The game is about, it will be shuffled like this. A goes maybe somewhere here, and the C comes here, and B goes somewhere else. It will be shuffled, and the person who's about to play the game should guess each and every card. Like if what is the first card? Maybe he may guess like B. Then the first card may be B. Then it'll be coming in the hidden space. It is the same way what we had done in the um, word drift game, which we had learned previously, where we used while loop, all those stuffs, and did that, where the person has to guess the word and had a certain criteria, like there were 5 dashes and want to fill inside. The same way this is also working, but we have a bit of a difference in it. There we had letters, and here we have cards. The cards here is personified into the letter itself. A is one card, and A is one card. B is one card. B is one card. C is one card. C is another card. If you want, you can change the card names. Yeah. Yeah. Next we have, as I said, we will shuffle the cards. So I will give random shuffle. Yeah. Random shuffle of the cards. Yeah. I will shuffle the all the cards. Yeah. I will shuffle all the cards, and it will be giving you a series of cards where the cards are not in the same position. Whatever you see right now, it will be shuffled. Yeah. After that, we'll give a section of hidden card. And the last like the last this what we had done, we used display, like display like what, yeah, display, where we would use to display the dashes. And we used a variable called display. Here we'll be using a variable called show. Here we'll be using a variable called show for the display. And here we have brackets brackets, and we will, yeah, we'll have the separate, we will have the what, the dashes for the show. And yeah, dashes for each card. In the last class we had dashes. Here we have a bit of quotes instead of cards, like the dashes we are using quotes here. You can use whatever these things you feel should be using. I'm using quotes. As we have 6 cards, we need 6 empty quotes to fill inside. 5, 6. Yeah, 6 empty quotes are done. At the first one, it shows matched. We have another variable called matched. Matched is equal to 0. None of the cards are matched. Match is equal to 0. It shows. And next, after the resolve function, yeah, Yeah, we forgot to write the name, the game. We will write it. Print. We will print the name of the game. Okay. Memory. Match. Team. Yeah, like this. Yeah, this will be printed memory match game. Then we will start using the while loop here. While loop is one of the most important segment loops, not only while loops, all the loops, because loops are used in many segments, and I think most of the people struggle in loops to find how to write loops and what range we should give for loop and how to use the while loop. So I thought of keeping two projects on the for loops and while loops. Yeah, this will be the important concept of the Python learning, which are loops. Yeah. So first we have our while loop. First we'll open the while loop as while matched is less than 6. When the match is less than 6, yeah, while match is less than 6, print yeah. Does anyone know why this slash n is used? Can anyone say why slash n is used? Yeah. Here, yeah, slash n is used to give a particular like the segment of line where it specify cards to be in a single line. Something like separate lines, something to define a particular line. Slash n is used. Yeah. After that, we have the for loop inside the while loop. For I in range len show. I'll write the code and explain one by one for you guys. Print. Yeah. Print I plus 1, comma, you might have already got hints by seeing the card. By seeing the code. Here we will, like it says, print I plus 1. Here I is the range of show, or whatever the show and guessed things will be there. That will be in I, and it will print all I plus 1. Plus 1. That is, it prints the, basically means it prints card. Yeah, it prints all the cards revealed and unrevealed. It will print all the cards. Revealed ones will be revealed as A or B. The unrevealed ones will be coming in the codes. That is what this shows. It will add the non-revealed one here, and the revealed one as the, yeah, the real one as the one, and the I as the non-revealed one, and it will add both the things, and it will show the final output I, which is the both revealed and the unrevealed thing. Yeah, the full length of the show will be given. Yeah, is that clear for everyone until now? Whatever I have thought. Is that clear for?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. After while loop, we have an input here. Yeah. First, as you can see here, first equal input, int input, and as used basically to specify its what to say. It's an integer, because we are playing the game with the numbers. That is why integer is given there. And int input, choose first card from 1 to 6. You choose the first card, and it gives -1. And next, for the second card, we do the same thing. Choose the second card, input, int, input, choose second card. Here we have first equals int input, which is choose the first card, which gives the mm, to choose cards from 1 to 6. It chooses any first card. In next second, it will choose a second card from 1 to 6. They can choose another card from 1 to 6. Here Yeah. Here the two cards will be selected, and the both cards should be not the same card. Like you can't type AA twice or BB twice. It should be a different card. For that, we will give a code right here. Okay. If okay, if first is equal to second, first is equal to second, print choose two print different cards, and we continue the game. Continue. Now we have the next part, that is nothing but the reveal of the card. It will show the first card and the second card. Um, yeah, I'll show things, and it will say if the cards, if the cards are matched, then it will be matched. Like for example, here we have set of cards A, B, B. It will be shuffled. And for A, if I have first card like 1, here A is 1. Think of A is 1, and another A is somewhere here, which gives it as 5 number, which is 5. You think it's here. Then if I enter the first number to be 1 and second number to be 5, then the cards get matched. Then we get a particular match. This is how the whole scenario works. This is how you match cards. If in case we have a B here, first card is B in case, and we have another D here, sorry, another B here, then 1 and 4 will be our match. This is how cards match. That is what here we are saying. Input 1. Now here if I give the input as 1 and another input as 4, you think of, then if it matched, we get same a match. Now I'll give here also 1 and second also 1. That is the statement. If first is equal to second, then print choose two different cards, and we'll continue. Next, we have a statement called, we have a reveal of cards. Show, 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 show first, show first, yeah, show first is equal to cards first. That's second. Yeah. Here we have after we choose cards. Yeah. Until this part is everything clear, still they continue. Is everything clear until what I thought still here? Am I audible?
Can you repeat once again?
Can you come again?
You are not audible.
I'm not audible. Yeah.
You
Am
are
I-
audible. Still, all the students are closed on their videos. I think simply they are attending the class. Before that only I told to you. If you are not interested, means no need to attend the classes. What I am told in the beginning, all of you turn on your video now.
Excuse me, sir.
Deeksha, continue.
Kampu, you were saying something?
If I on the video, the class will cut. So because of internet.
Yeah, it's fine.
Give me the
Yeah.
image, you can turn on your video. It's not there in the class. Simply attending.
Okay. Yeah, until whatever I've thought so far, is that clear for everyone? Or do you want me to explain any part of the code once again?
Yeah.
Yeah, then Lakshmi, it's clear. For anyone else, any part should be explained or
Can you
re-explained?
revise it in? Excuse me.
Yeah,
Can you please recall it once more?
like summarize, yeah. Yeah, first we have import random, which will import random for as we have asked in past line a lot of classes what is import random. We have a set of cards called A, B, B. Here we are matching cards. A will be given 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, 4 position, 5 position, 6 position. According to the Python, it will be given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it will shuffle the cards, random shuffle the cards, and it will show things like this, empty quotes, and it will say matched equals 0. It is not matched, and it will print the game name memory match game. While matched is not is less than 6, it will print cards. Yeah, it will print cards for I in range len show. It will show this will be considered as I in certain. Here we are considering show to be in the range of I, and it will print I plus the guest whatever we have entered the guest cards, and it will show the whole output for us. Then we have an input function here for the first card. The input the it will be in integer form, and the input should the user should input any one number, like here as I said indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here he should be entering any one, like if it shuffles, for example, if A is at the 6 and one another A is at the 3. If I give the first input to be 3 and the next input to be 6, and therefore the cards are matched, Therefore, A cards are matched. One matched card we get. Here we get totally three matched cards, where we have three sets of matching cards. First we match A, B, then C. It is left to you however you match the cards. It is not particularly you should go with A itself or what. You can match cards. And it is a type of uh, a memory game, you could say. Like, first letter will take and you give the letter, and second you give the another number. And if first is equal to second, print, choose different cards. Like if first is equal to one and second also you give one, then it will say choose different cards and it will continue. And we have here of what to say, um and we have here a statement called show first is equal to cards first. Show second is equal to cards second. Is that here the show first? Here the first, here the show first is the input whatever you have given, and it will show the first card, whatever the first card is. And the second, it shows the card which is in the position what you have given. If you given here 3, and it will show the position of the card which is present in the 3. And if you given here 1, it will show the card which is present in the position 1. Is that clear? To just show you that if it is matched or not matched, something like that. It will give like 4 and 1. If you give 4 and 1, it will show the card which is in 4 position, and it will show the second. Here second and first, don't get confused. Here I have given the input as first and second, so we see here first and second only. First integer and second integer, you could take it as first integer and second integer. The first integer, whatever the card is there in the first integer, it will be getting printed, and the second integer, whatever the card is, it will be getting printed here. This is what these two lines means. Is that clear? Are you getting my point? Or
Yeah, we
Yeah.
understood.
Yes.
yeah, it is a bit of complex thing with while loop. So I wanted to teach you this. Last program, what we did, we had simple while loop program. Here we have a bit of advanced thing. So please try to focus and understand and ask me at any time when you didn't understand. We have another for loop here for I in range. Here we print the show of I mean the cards. Show, I mean, here show is the guest match. No, no. Show is the cards plus the input. That is what show is, as I explained you before. Show, it will print the show, and the same thing whatever we have entered here, this thing will be showing the same here. Yeah, yeah. Print 1 plus 1 and show I. This is the same thing whatever I have explained here. And now we get into the important part of the game, where the card, if we check the cards are matched or what. Until here it's clear, right? It shows the number, like whatever the guessed one, like the number you gave A and B, you have guessed different things like A and B. You have guessed 1 and 3. In 1 you get A, and 3 you get B, and rest of them will be displayed in the codes. What this says, as I said, what is this part says, the same thing here. This part says like that. Yeah, is that clear? Once I get the output, you will be much more clear about the topic. Right now it's a bit maybe confusing for you, but I get the once you get the output, you will be much clear. Just a second. Yeah. After this, we will check if they're matched. Once we will show the output, whatever they have guessed, and the cards we will reveal it, and we will say if it matched, what to do next. Yeah. If cards first, which is the input, whatever the person gives. Cards second. Now, you might have got the point, what it says. If the both cards are equal, like the card, whatever the input is given in 1, and the card, whatever the output input is given in 2, if both are equal, if the both things, it's not seconds, it's second. Yeah. If both things are equal, then it will print cards matched. Match found, maybe. Yeah. Match found, or cards matched, whatever you think so. Then the match count will get increased. It will get +2 because you guessed 2 position of the cards. So it will become +2. You can even give +1. It's left to you. +1 is also not the wrong thing. You can give +1 here, as I'm even counting the guessed cards. So I will give +2. So 2 are guessed and matched. 2 are guessed and matched. So I'll get +2. You can even give, as I said, +2. Match +2. Yeah. Then we have else. Else, as you guys have been figure out what else must be. It will be print, not a match. Not a match. Is everything clear for you guys still here?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that is a bit good thing right now. If it is not matched, what happens? If it is not matched, the things whatever you have given, like if it not matched, it will get back to the codes again. It will not be showing you A or B. If it is matched, only it will show A and A. If it is not matched, it will not show you A and B. It will be going back to codes. So you should remember that when you enter next time, you remember that where A was, where B was, and what was the indexing for A and B. That is the main plot of the game, where the not matched pair will get back to the codes. So you should remember the non-matched pair, like A and B, where it lies, like 3 and 4. So next time, I remember in 3 we have A, so we type 3 and we will guess the other index for the A. That is how the game works. Did you understand the plot of the game, the main thing? How and whatever I have told you so far? Like the thing what I told now? Or do you want me to say it once again? I want responses, please.
Yeah, this is okay.
What about others?
Yeah.
Yeah. So show first and show first, and it will hide it. Once if it is not equal, we'll just hide things. show second also will be hidden once if it is not a match. If in case it's a match, it will just add to your score and it will not be showing it's an unmatched one. Yeah. This will be the completion of the whole game. And we have a last statement like congratulations, you matched all cards. Something like that. If in case all the while loop goes on running until all the cards are matched and it stops and gives a statement that this will be the completion of the whole code. Yeah. Is the code clear for all of you? I'll be asking questions, so it's better if you get clear. So whenever I ask the question, it should not be like I have a doubt. Yeah, once we'll run it, and then I'll ask for doubts because if you run it, you get an idea how the game works. Just a second, there is an issue. 36th line here. Oh, yeah. Just a second, I thought I just missed something. Yeah. Yeah. Here we will print the cards first because it should get the specified things what to show. So we will print the guest cards or the guessing cards first. Then we'll move on. Next. Should be inside the else. The second mistake, yeah. Inside will run now. Second. Slideshow. Yeah, the syntax and show first thing. So the brackets what I used are wrong. Exactly right. Should have used the specified brackets. these ones, because as it is already mentioned things. So yeah, just started once again the terminal and show you guys properly. Yeah. Yeah, choose the first card. If I go with, which card can I choose? I'll go with 3. Choose the second card. Chose 6. The choose was not right. Not a match. 3 and 6 are not a match. Let's go with 2 and 3. 2, then 3. 2 and 3 are also not a match. 2 and 3 are different. 3 and 6 are different. If I go with 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are also not a match. Then we'll go 2 and 4. Let's check 2 and 4. Yeah, 2 and 4 are match. So we found a match. 2 and 4 are both a match. Here 2 and 4 are match. So 2 and 4 get eliminates. And 3 and 6 is not a match. So 3 and 1 will be the match, I think so. 3 and 1. 3 and 1 is also not a match. 2 and 4 is match. Then 3 and 5 will be the match. 3 and 5 will be the match. Yeah. Then the last remaining was 5 and which was 5 and 6, right? 5 and 6 will be the match. Not a match. 3 and 5 was the match, huh? Just forgot it. Not a match. 3 and 5 was already on match, I think so. So 3 and 1, I think so. Let's see. Not 3 and 1.
Maybe it's 1 and 6.
1 and 6. 1 and 6. Yeah. Yeah. Match found, and congratulations, you win the game. This is how the game works. Is that clear for you guys? How the game mechanism works and all stuffs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is the game fun? But the code is a bit confusing. But when if you digest the whole code, once after the output you had the idea how the game works. So now if you watch through the whole game, like all the code, you will be able to find out how the game actually worked. Yeah. Now, yeah, this will complete the while loop and for loop projects for you. In the next class, we will be learning some other new concepts. And I want everyone to create the same game, whatever I have created, with using different, like not matching cards. You can use matching cartoons or matching words, something like different, but the concept of the code should be the same. That's what I mean. Yeah, I want you to create the same game. Actually, the thing is, whenever I given the project of last week, I found only, I think so one had submitted, hardly. Who had submitted the last project can raise the hands. Can raise the hand. Yeah, where is she? In Pile also, I think so. There's a no. Yeah, I think so. Pile also. And I didn't see
Excuse
others.
me, Deeksha.
Yeah.
So I have given my laptop to Payal so that she was working on some project. So I've got this last week and I was having my exam, so I'll send it this week.
Yeah. You complete the both projects and share it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Deeksha, last time
Yeah.
I haven't attended the class.
I think you could go through the recording. You get each class recording, right?
Yeah.
If you miss classes like that, then you will be back to the next class. Like you might miss out some important concepts which you want to know. So yeah, you look at the recording and share the both project. Then Lakshmi. And what about Jivita? I
Yeah,
think she
okay.
was also absent for the last class. And you do the same what I told for Dhanlakshmi. I want all your projects. Make sure you attend the class after submitting your project. If you doesn't submit your project, then no need of attend the class because making projects help you to understand, go deeper into the code. Here, I myself writing the code and you yourself writing the code has a lot of difference. Here, you might feel that you have understood. When you start typing the code, you may get doubts and how it works. You may get some doubts and questions. So I want each and every one of you guys to share your projects. Yeah. Then Vedashri had submitted. And what about Dhruti?
Yeah, I'll submit this week because last week we had a test, right? So
Last week we didn't had a class actually. It's fine, yeah. You can submit the both weeks project together. And what about Chinmay? Yeah. I don't want to mention each person name. Chinmay, Nidhish, and I think so. Anush is attending after a long time. So yeah. And Syed Yasif was also in the last class, and I didn't see his project. And Kampu also. I want all your projects to be submitted of this week. You write the whole code, and as I said, make a simple difference. And I want your projects. Yeah. Is there anything, any doubts or any queries about the project what we have done today so far? Or do you
No.
want to run the code again and show you once again? What do you say? I want opinions from all of you. I'm asking you a
yeah,
question. Do you want me to run it again?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Jivita will be guessing the um cards, so I'll run it again. Yeah. Enter the first card. It's bad. When you're playing this game, I think so you could write down so you remember. Who has a sharp memory can play. Yeah. First card. Which you wanna go?
2,
2, okay. Second card,
4,
4. Not a match. 2 and 4 are not same. Yeah, okay. Next. 2 and 4 are not same. It's better if you repeat things like you give next like 2 and 3 or 4 and 6 like that. So you get to
2
know.
and 6,
4 and 6 or 2 and 6. What?
2 and
2 and 6. Not a match. 2 and 6 are different. 2, 4 and 5 are different. You get a link there. You get a answer there, which means it's A or B or C. Who doesn't know, but they are different. Yeah. Next match.
2 and 3,
2 and 3. Not a match. 2 and 3 are not a match.
1 and 6,
1 and 6, not a match. 1 and 6 is not a match. 2, 4, and 6 are different cards. 1 and 6 is not a match, and 2 and 3 is not a match. So, are you getting it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which card now? Which one should I enter?
4 and 5.
1 and 5. Hope for the best, not a match.
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Not a match. I think you're losing it. I think so it's 1 and 6. Most probably. Let's check. 1 and 6 is not a match. 1 and 6 is not a match. 3 and 1. Let's check. Not a match. 2 and 1. Match form. This is how you played. 2 and 1 is a match. Done. 2 and 1. Take it off. 3 and 6 is not a match, as we know. 4 and 5 is a match. Not a match. 4 and 5 is not a match. Then 4 and 6 is a match. Not a match. 4 and 6 is not a match. 1 and 2 are already matched. 3 and 4 is not a match. 3 and 5. Not a match. 3 and 5 is not a match. 3 and 6. Not a match. 4 and 3. Match form. 4 and 3 are match and 5 and 6 are match. Yeah. This is how you play it. Yeah. So I think the things are clear for you guys. Yeah. Yeah. That's it from my side. If you have any doubts or any queries about the code, you can contact me. Do you want me to share the code in the group? Or is it fine? Is it fine? You write. Yeah. You itself write the code instead of I sending it. Yeah. That's it from my side. Yeah. Stop sharing my screen. Yeah. Over to Madhav sir.
Okay, thank you, Deeksha. Student, did you understand about this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about others? Only few members are saying yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ruti?
sir.
Ruti, what did you understand?
Sir, the card game.
Hmm.
Guessing the card name and that improves memory power.
No, I'm not asking about what is the use of that one. What did you understand about this concept?
Like loops and the random input random, about that concepts.
Jivita, what did you understand?
They're using the while loops, like it was a bit confusing, but once we will try, then I hope we can.
Okay, try to complete your assignment, what's you thought today, and submit it on time. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, Deeksha and Deeksha team. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
Deeksha.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.